Welcome to WebStylePress. How to remove empty variables, empty lines or empty section containing empty data from WordPress email templates. This is a WordPress site and I have got this form here. Let's submit it with the dummy data. Submit. Email sent. This is the email we have received. Name, test name, email address, subject, test subject, message, test message. Okay, now let two fields be empty in the form and submit it. I am keeping subject and message empty. Submit. Email sent. This is the email we have received. Name test2, email address, and then subject and message. We have titles with empty value or data because we did not submit it. How can we remove title for the data that was not submitted from form in WordPress? Or how can we remove empty lines in form output submitted by a WordPress form? If the data for this subject and message was not submitted, then subject and message title should not be displayed in email. We are using contact form 7, contact forms, and this is a contact form. This is contact form 7. It is very easy to do with contact form 7. Just check box that says exclude lines with blank mail tags from output. Check this box. And we are using this simple template. Name, email, subject, and message. Save template. Now let's refresh the form and submit it by not entering some fields. I'm keeping these two empty and submit. Email sent. Now this is the email we have received. Only name and email address. Lines with empty data or titles with empty data were removed. Good. But this is a simple email template. How about in case of a proper HTML email template for WordPress form? Let's change this template to a proper HTML template with output like this. This is the variable, 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 and variable. Now we have got this kind of email template. And we have checked use HTML content type, and we have unchecked exclude lines with blank mail tags from output. Let's save it. Refresh the form and let's submit it. Dummy data, submit. Email sent. Now this is the email we have received. Proper HTML email with all fields included. This is beautiful. How about submitting the form with empty fields in this condition? And we are ignoring subject and message fields and submit. Email sent. And we have received email like this with empty subject and empty message because we didn't submit it. So now let's change something. Let's check exclude lines with blank mail tags from output. Save. Refresh the form. Keep these two empty and submit. Email sent. And we have received this email. Now this is weird. Empty column was removed. but still we have got title for the empty field. This is empty field and this is subject. Message raw was removed. If we inspect this element in this tr, in this table raw, we have got one td, one table data. So one tr is empty, and in this tr, in this table raw, there's one td. td here was removed because it was empty by this check. But in this scenario, we want to remove whole raw, not the td. So how can we remove this whole thing instead of just td? Solution is simple. Keep this option checked, exclude lines with blank mail tags from output, and keep tr in email template in one line. This tr with data, it should be in one line, this whole thing. Keep table raw in one line in email template. If mail tag will be empty, it will remove whole line including table data and table raw. So let's change the HTML for the email tag. So this is one line. Now this tr is in one line. Similarly, change other trs as well. Like this. Now this is a tr in one line without line breaks. This is a tr in one line, and this is tr in one line, like this. With this option checked, save the template. Let's refresh the form now and submit it with empty fields. Empty fields, submit. Email sent. Now we will receive email like this. Raws containing empty data were removed. No extra empty titles or lines. Idea was to remove titles without data. So there you go. As simple as possible. No extra coding. Just keep exclude lines option checked from mail option and keep tr in one line. If this variable will be empty, whole tr will be excluded or removed from email output. That's it. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.